In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a variation listing on eBay. First, you'll want to navigate to My eBay and head over to the selling section. From there, go to listings and create a new listing. This is your starting point for setting up your variation listing. Enter the name of the item you intend to list. For example, you might be listing running shoes. This initial step is important as it sets the stage for your potential buyers. Next, you'll be prompted to either select a match from existing options or continue without choosing a match. You can decide based on what works best for your item. Once you've made that choice, go ahead and specify the condition of your item. Whether it's new, like new or used, this helps manage buyers' expectations. Inside the listing editor, it's crucial to pick a category that supports variations, like clothing, shoes and accessories under men's shoes. This ensures that eBay allows you to use the variation feature. It's worth noting here that if your selected category doesn't support variations, you won't be able to add them. Choosing the right category is vital for the seamless functioning of your listing. As you move further along, scroll down to the pricing section and ensure that it's set to the Buy It Now format. This format is typically more straightforward for variation listings, as it lets buyers easily choose their preferences without entering a bidding process. Now scroll up again to the variation section and click Edit. This will take you to the area where you get to be more specific about the type of variations you want to offer. Whether it's size, color, or even something unique you create, list all the different types here. After selecting your variation types, enter all available options. For instance, if color is a variation, enter options like red, white, or green. Once you've completed that, click Continue to move forward. Then you're going to need to add photos for each variation. This visual element can be crucial for buyers who want to see exactly what each option looks like before making their decision. You'll also need to enter the quantity, price, and SKU for each variation. This information helps manage your inventory and provides clear pricing to potential buyers. Once you've completed setting up your variations, click Save and Close. At this point, you're almost done. Finish up by completing the rest of your listing, adding details like the item description, shipping details, and any other relevant information. Finally, when you're all set, click List It to make your item live on eBay. And there you have it, a complete variation listing on eBay. Following these steps will enable you to present your products effectively, making them more attractive to potential buyers.